Good day everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the engine bay of Mitsubishi Xpander. VS1 Protector cleans and shines, removes stains, restores color for rubber, plastics, vinyl, leather. VS1 Protector Spray contains cleansing conditioners to protect rubber, plastics, vinyl, and leather materials. It cleans and removes stains. It provides protection from UV exposure and all weather conditions while giving it a shiny look. It helps prolong life and restores color. So, lilinisan na po natin. So, shake it first. VS1. Tapos, spray nyo lang sa microfiber cloth. Then, punas nyo. Yan. Ayun, parang bago. Oh. Dito rin. Dito mga plastic mga to, so okay na okay yung VS1 na panglinis niya. O yan o, yung dumi. So i-spray nyo lang. Tapos yan, dali lang. See, looks new. Seeing it. Yan. Yan. Sa mga singit-singit, mabango po yung VS1. Amoy lemon. Ayan, parang bago uli. Kailangan lang po natin ay VS1 saka microfiber cloth para magmukhang bago ulit at saka malinis yung engine bay natin ng expander natin. Ayan. Oh, di ba? So thank you very much for watching.